This is 37th problem. This you have to do as a homework, but I've already worked it out for you so that you will be able to understand it better. Because both the sums are different. Here the data, the values were given to you. You just substituted it in your formula. But here the values are not given. You have to work out everything and find out. So I will help you in doing it. Find the regression equation y on x and x on y for the following data. The values y is given and x is given. So you have to do the tabular column first. So first write x. X is equal to 25. Be careful here because they have given y first and x beneath y. When you write, you have x first. X is equal to 25, 30, 35, 30, 40, 50, 45, 55, 60 and 65. Whatever is given here, I have tabulated it here. Y is equal to 45, 48, 50, 55, 65, 70, 75, 72, 80 and 85. This is what is given. So first you must know the formula. The formula is, first you have to find out the regression equation x on y. You already know the formula. X minus x bar is equal to, but there the data was given. Sigma was given. The standard deviation, everything was given there. But here you have to find out. So we find it out like this. B of x, y into y minus y bar. You can find out x bar easily, y bar easily. But you have to find out the value of b of x, y. So how do you find out that? For that you have a formula. B of xy is equal to n sigma xy or summation n summation xy minus summation x summation y n summation y square minus summation y the whole square. So looking at the formula, you can easily find out that you have to find out sigma x, you have to find summation x, you have to find out summation y, then you have to find out y square. Similarly, you have to find out x square, then you have to find xy. So looking at the formula itself, you can find out what all you have to tabulate. X and y is given. So you have to find out summation x, you have to add all the x. Summation y, you have to add all y. Then here you have y square. In the next equation, you have a formula, you have x square. So you have to find out x square, then you have to find out y square, then you have to find xy. So going back to the tabular column, the values x and y are given. So with this, you find out summation x, you add up all this. Then you can find out summation y, you add up all this. Next, we had in the formula sigma x square and sigma y square. That's why we are finding out x square. So what is your x square? 25 into 25, 30 into 30, 35 into 35, 30 into 30, 40 into 40. Square means you have to multiply the number twice. So similarly, y square, you have to square the values of y. 45 into 45, 48 into 48, 50 into 50, 55 into 55. Likewise, you have to find out x square, y square. Then you sum up all the x square, which gives you summation x square. Then you sum up all the y square, you get summation y square. The last column will be xy because you had even xy in your formula. So you find out xy. Xy means x into y. X into y. 25 into 45 will give you 1125. 30 into 48 will give you 1440. Likewise, you find out xy for all the values of x and y. Then you add all this. Summation xy is equal to 29725. So now you have found out summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation y square, summation xy. So I have brought the same thing here. Okay, the last column which was here, this line I have brought here. Okay, then it will be easy for you to find out the values and substitute it. So what is bx of y? N summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n summation y square minus summation y the whole square. So what is n? How many values are given here? 10 values are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n is 10. So n will be 10. Summation xy is given here 29725. We found out summation xy. Okay. So 29725. summation x square, y square, all that you have here. So you just substitute the values. Summation xy is 29725. Summation x is 435. Summation y is 645 divided by n 10 into summation y square is 43413 minus summation, what is your summation y? 645. Be very careful when you substitute the value of y square and y the whole square. Okay, there is a difference. Don't confuse and give different values. Summation y square is 43413. Summation y the whole square is 645 square. Then you have to substitute all these things. You can use the calculator for this. Then finally you can find out the answer. So b of xy is equal to 16675 divided by 18105. That is equal to 0.9210. So the question is, you find the regression equation of x on y. So what is the formula for that? X on y. So for you to easily remember, if it is x on y, you must have x. Okay. So x minus x bar is equal to, you have to start with the x. X minus x bar is equal to bxy, y minus y bar. So what is your x? X minus 43.5. How did we get this value? How did we get x bar? X bar is summation x divided by n. So 435 divided by 10. So 43.5 is equal to 0.92. Y minus y bar is 64.5. So x minus 43.5. Then you have to multiply these two terms. 0.92 into y minus 0.92 into 64.5 will give you 59.34. Then x is equal to, you have x on the left side, 0.92y minus 59.34 minus 43.5. When it comes to the other side of the equal to sign, it becomes plus 43.5. So you get x is equal to 0.92 y minus 15.84. So this is regression equation x on y. Similarly, we have to find out regression equation y on x. So here it was bxy. Now you have to find out byx. So n summation xy minus summation x summation y, all that is same. Here in the previous formula we had n summation y square, but here we have n summation x square minus summation x the whole square. Similarly, you substitute all the values. The values I've taken it from there and posted it here. Okay. So regression equation y on x is equal to y minus y bar is equal to byx, x minus x bar. So substituting the value of y minus y bar. How do you calculate y bar? 645 divided by 10, because 10 values are given there. So we get this 64.5. Then byx is equal to 0.979. So I've taken it as 0.98 into x minus x bar. That is x minus 64.5, that is equal to 0.98x into 0.98 into 43.5. You get 42.63. Then y is equal to 0.98x minus 42.63 plus minus 64.5. When it comes to the other side of the equal to, it will become plus 64.5. So you get the answer as y is equal to 0.98x plus 21.87. So this is the problem which is given in your textbook. Question number 37. The answer which is given in your textbook is different, which is wrong. This is the correct answer. So please work out the problem and try to get the correct answer. Don't copy the answer which is given in your textbook. You have to work it out and find the correct answer. Okay. So I started with regression. The term regression was coined by Francis Galton in the year 1877. Then you must be able to define regression. It is found on your book, page number 271. Regression is the study of. What is regression means? You have to give that answer. That is the answer for question number 26. What is regression? Regression is the study of relationship between the variables. If y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable, the linear relationship between the variable is called as the regression equation of y on x. The regression equation is used to estimate the value of y corresponding to the known value of x. The line describing this tendency to regress or going back was called by Galton as regression line. So that is the answer for question number 26. Then you have a tabular column also in your textbook. Differences between correlation and regression. That will be the answer for question number 31. The difference between correlation and regression. This is the answer for question number 31. Then you have to work out this problem 37. Find the regression equation y on x and x on y for the following data.